Hey guys, what's up? In this short tutorial video, we're going to show you how you can use the private view feature in the PrivacyWall search engine really quickly. So let us get started. Now, in the first step, launch PrivacyWall as an application on your computer or as a Google Chrome extension, or simply access their search engine through Google Chrome by entering the URL here, privacywall.org. So what you want to do, guys, is simply enter the search term or keyword here in the search bar, as you would normally do when using your preferred search engine. So let me go with that search term or keyword here for demonstration purposes. Press enter, and on the following page you will be given access to a list of search entries under that search term. And what you want to do, guys, is take a look at that feature here next to each search result, private view. So here to the right, it is explained as a feature still in its beta mode or beta version, which means it's not perfect yet, but you can already use it for your searching and browsing through the internet. So what does the private view feature exactly do? Well, it gives you the opportunity to see a preview of the website you would like to visit, a preview through the search results page here, while keeping you 100% anonymous, which means when previewing the given website through PrivacyWall, PrivacyWall doesn't share any of your personal information or your IP with the website owner, which gives you a feeling of privacy and security when browsing through the internet. It also gives you the opportunity to browse through the internet anonymously. So guys, all you need to do is click on Privacy View here, and that is going to give you the preview of the website you would like to visit. And that's basically it. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day.